dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a story that touches our hearts. Get ready for a roller coaster ride through the realities of food in the midst of war in Ukraine and Russia. As the war rages on in Ukraine and Russia, it's not just about battles and strategies. The impact on food security is dramatic and heart-wrenching. Let's take a step back and look beyond the front line. In the areas where troops rest, train, and prepare for combat, the food scene takes a different turn. Get this, the food in those areas usually comes straight from the kitchen. No more just combat rations and canned food. We're talking about meals prepared with love, a taste of solace amidst the chaos. And here's the more heartening part: the Ukrainian soldiers have nothing but praises for their kitchen crew. They all say the food there is absolutely excellent, providing a much-needed sense of comfort in their demanding lives. Oh, and let's not forget the comforting taste of Ukraine's favorite national dish, solo, cured pork fat served with bread and pickled cucumbers. A taste of home for many, even in the toughest of times. You see, even in the darkest hours, good food has the power to lift spirits and bring a taste of home to those far away from it. These moments of sharing meals together create strong bonds among the soldiers, reminding them of the importance of unity and camaraderie. In the midst of chaos, they find solace in each other's company. A big salute to the kitchen heroes, who serve up not just delicious dishes, but also a sense of belonging and hope. But let's not forget the harsh reality. This war has upended life for millions, affecting food security for both civilians and soldiers alike. Hunger is a stark reality. Many families now face food insecurity, and unemployment is rampant. Landmines and war debris have left farmland too dangerous to plant, dealing a massive blow to one of the world's biggest breadbaskets. The impact extends far beyond borders, feeding a rise in global food prices, deepening hunger in far-flung countries, and pushing the most vulnerable towards the brink of catastrophe. It's a harsh truth. In this war, food is not just a source of nourishment, but a symbol of resilience and a beacon of hope amidst the darkness. As we end this journey, let's remember the faces behind the war, the soldiers and civilians facing uncertainty and hunger. Let's stand in solidarity and support those in need. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time.